Right, quick tip, dismantling pallets. Quite often I want to take the legs off a pallet but preserve the base. So I've got a nice panel that's already made up. But these legs are always held on with gripper nails. If you try prising them, hammering them, it usually damages the wood. This is my answer. Car jack, like so. Put the jack across 2 slats and it's forcing up 1. There we go. These will just whack off with a hammer, and the grippy nails, rather than try and damage the wood, grind them flush into the wood. You'll be left with a neat panel. Great tip.